We are continuing to follow the science.
Ernie Rivera, Chief Operating Officer for Chicago Public Schools, is talking about measures the district is taking to prepare for the return of some students to in-person learning.
We've made critical investments to prepare our schools to safely support the return of in-person instruction.
Those investments now include the purchase of more than 20,000 air purifiers, one, we're told, for each classroom.
Out of an abundance of caution, we have invested $8.5 million to provide every classroom with a HEPA air purifier that will remove 99.99% of ultrafine particles, including airborne mold, bacteria, and viruses.
For a classroom to be deemed ready for return, CPS says it'll either have one of those purifiers and a working window, or an operating ventilation system with both an air supply and exhaust. By those standards, the district says 99% of classrooms are good to go, but the Chicago Teachers Union isn't buying it.
And quite frankly, we find it a little tough to believe that every single classroom in every single building is up to code.
Last month, the union described many of the district's buildings, which have an average age of about 80 years old, as lacking in sufficient ventilation. Vice President Stacey Davis Gates says the union should have a chance to get a closer look at what's being done.
We feel like we should be able to inspect the buildings with one of our skilled experts to understand it.
And they want more feedback from parents.
We're still reviewing everything. We would like to know more about what parents are thinking,
especially with COVID-19 on the rise.
We are dealing with the 10% positivity rate in the city of Chicago right now.
Now, the union goes on to say in a release that the CPS air quality assessments fail to look at the exchange of fresh air in classrooms, and also questions how much use working windows will be as we head into a brutal Chicago winter, or what could be a brutal Chicago winter. CPS says any classrooms they have found that don't make the grade are being prioritized right now for repairs, and the results of the assessments they've done can be found broken down by school online. We're going to get that link up on our website under this story.